Hello and welcome to This Is. TikTok made Kinsey buy stuff, and now we have to look at the things that Kinsey bought, which means that you have to look at the stuff that we're gonna be looking at that Kinsey bought.
Can we get a flowchart for that, Aaron? Can you make a flowchart for that? Thank you very much. So today we're going to be taking a look yet again at some of the high quality items that TikTok Shop has to offer. Now there's a big box over here, and I take a little peek in here and it all looks bad. First up, a nondescript white box. That's all you, my friend.
It literally just says new.
Same.
Okay. We have some sort of cobble.
What is it? It's like where you display your infinity stone? Is this a display piece for your horticulture or your geology?
It is a rotating crystal display.
Oh, no, Matt.
Rotating?
Yeah, it's gonna spin. Do you still have a crystal girlfriend or no? Okay, all right. So now that Matt no longer has a crystal girlfriend, we're gonna have to find another source for our crystal behavior. This is the most potato-looking rock I've ever seen. I want to eat this rock. Okay.
It spins!
I'm getting some beautiful B-roll right now. Don't mind me. Oh, it even kind of goes up and down a little bit, doesn't it?
A rock is just shaped that way.
Oh, I see.
Ooh.
This rock has never looked better.
Ooh. What if I wait?
Yes, spin a knife. That's a great idea.
$12. Totally worth it for $12.
Now I'm thinking about all the nefarious things I could put on here.
Like a knife?
How about an alloy racing alarm clock? So it's just a race car that's also an alarm clock?
Nothing gives him more of a mixed message about falling asleep at the wheel than a race car.
I go to sleep and I picture speed. I'm gonna be the judge of this one.
Whoa. Okay,
Let me see.
wait.
Remote control. It has sports car exhaust sounds and a smoke effect. Wait, this is cool. Okay, so this is a GTR. So it actually does drive, or at least it rolls. So you've got like it's a pullback. Okay, I don't know why that's necessary for an alarm clock.
There's a key fob.
I hate the fact that this is cool. You can now see it is apparently 936 through the window, and if we fill it up with water, it will exhaust out.
Exhaust out.
Okay, load it up.
Where?
In the exhaust port. Just stick it in, it's fine.
That is not where it goes.
It says to open the trunk.
This video is sponsored by Fifine Microphones. For this video, all the audio you're hearing from us is from our pair of Fifine AM8 Pro T microphones. Right now, they're plugged into our studio setup through XLR to get the most audio quality for streaming and podcasting.
It's also got USB plug-and-play functionality, which is perfect for everyday gaming with friends. Even through USB, the audio quality will blow headset mics out of the water. You get a warm and pleasant tone without losing clarity, and the dynamic capsule and cardioid form factor means it works well wherever you game, picking up your voice and not background noise.
The 3-in-1 knob makes it easy to fine-tune microphone and headphone volumes, plus you could switch it to mix control mode to adjust the balance between levels of background music and mic monitoring.
So we've set it up here with the bundled boom arm, which is super easy to set up, and actually has some pretty nice looking RGB lighting. The AM8 Pro T bundle comes with software you can synchronize with the RGB lighting from your other RGB Fifine products like the SC8 mixer.
Are you ready to upgrade your setup or foray into streaming? Well, head over to the link in the description and use the code to save on the already super impressive price on the AM8 Pro T bundle. You're gonna really like what you get for this. Thank you again to Fifine Microphones for sponsoring this video and making it sound oh so good.
So put some water in the trunk. It's just your methanol injection. Is that the lock and unlock? It sounds like you're like arming the bomb in Counter-Strike.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's turning blue. I want my exhaust smoke, damn it. Okay, I don't know if this thing works. Okay, well, maybe not the greatest item. How about a jellyfish aroma diffuser, which should actually blow smoke, unlike our Nissan. I don't know what anything else. I'll read the user manual because I'm good at reading things. So there's a water tank, which is just if you open it up. Is it one of those like bowling things you have to put a finger in each hole before it opens up?
Well, that's how my ex-wife was. Am I right, fellas?
I don't know how to get this to open.
Let me give it a try. Let me give it a try.
Hold on, fast fingers and So I just pour water in it and then we just send it?
We just send it.
Okay. Now we click it on. Oh, it's on.
It's on. Oh.
What's your go-to scent?
Maple pancakes.
Oh, that sounds pretty.
So when I do my dark showers, I just
Wait, sorry, dark? Why not a bath? I feel like that's a bath thing. Shower?
Well, I'm not rich and I don't have a bath. The reason this is jellyfish is when it poofs out, it's supposed to look like jellyfish. Can we slow this down?
No, you guys speed it up. You got it way faster now. Oh, whoa. Chill out, bro. Holy. I'm sold. This is actually pretty good. This is pretty good. Okay.
All right, what's next?
I don't know what this is. This is a pervy folding phone holder. Sorry, per Ivy.
A pervy? It's got some foldables here.
Oh, that makes more sense. Yeah. Oh, because it's fully flexible, so you can set your phone on it. Wait. Let's try this. So, okay, so I want to watch video on my phone. I'm gonna like. Okay, I don't know if that was a great example of anything. Wait here.
Oh.
No. Bad. That is the optimal TikTok viewing experience.
That's it. I don't know what this, like, it's fun to play with, but I have no idea what to do with this.
I feel like I want to slap you in the face with it. Like the video and let Matt know in the comments below how good he looks. 3, 2, 1. See, that was gentle.
That was a good slap.
Here, you can give me back. That was even gentler. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, how about a small whirlwind bladeless fan? You want a whirlwind in your face, don't you? That's a very small fan. Is it clip? Is it magnet? Like, oh, I see. So you can do like one of these guys. Oh, interesting. So it actually blows only in one direction. 1, 2, 3, and then
The jellyfish.
whoa.
Dude, imagine we put some like Red Bull in here and just.
Just did that. Wait, let me clip it on my shirt and see if we can get this figured out. So it is now blowing past my face.
Here, do it this way.
Oh, like blowing into my shirt?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting
Right?
puffy here.
Yeah.
I'm like inflating my suit here. I feel like I'm walking on Disneyland. It's like 99 degrees. I don't hate that thing. Honestly, I don't hate it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my underwear.
Glad that I'm done with it now. It's all yours.
When I had boxers, I felt like I just had like a quarter cup of water sloshing around my ass at any given time. Switching to boxer briefs solve that.
Can we all just get visual of a fucking quarter cup?
So that's a cup over there. Like you just.
Yeah, like. Quarter cup is just such an absurd amount of liquid. That's too much, man. That's too much.
Look, I grew up in a humid area. Okay, like.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. We're gonna move on here. Oh, we got a twofer here.
Twofer.
We got, so there's like a pouch and it's an IR blaster. So if you want to, be a little gremlin and change the channel in hotels or whatever, or airports.
What's the sheath for? What is this supposed to be? How do you close it like that? I really don't know what this is meant to be. You can put something in here. Cool. I have a rock pouch now.
Okay. So this is a warm prompt. Welcome to the Star remote control app. Okay, so I'm gonna add a control. I wanna control a TV, LG, and I'm gonna turn it off. Ready, and... Oh, it worked, confirm. I'm now in control of the TV, so I can go up and down. I mean, this seems to work pretty well, honestly. It's actually even pretty responsive.
Yeah, I would say that's like as responsive as the actual remote. All I could think of is this is an anti-chafing device.
Well, you just gotta stop
Like,
chafing.
you gotta, like, you strap it on here.
Oh, we got something good. It's an emulator.
Someone in the comments, please tell me what this is meant for.
We all know what it's for.
What?
You'll find out when you're older. This is the R36 Pro. So this is, I believe, one of the knockoffs of the Ambernick R36, right?
We got a green.
Oh, that's actually a nice color. Oh, dude.
Yeah. The
I'm
plastic
standing my
is-
nails down. Holy. It does have an SD card in here of some size. Should I fire it up?
Yeah.
Oh, it does have RGB. Really good, boys.
Oh. I will say the screen's pretty good. The buttons don't feel amazing, but they don't feel terrible. I mean, it's responsive. Like, it's really responsive. Arch rivals, no harm, no foul.
Brawl State versus Natural High.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
What do we got?
Play a good game. Come on, good game.
Yeah, I'm getting to Goldeneye.
Okay, that's a good game.
Oh.
Oh my God. Kenzie, there's like 73 more items in here. How about a high-speed Horizontal screen charger. So if you want to charge your phone while laying down, you can do that. Wait, I'm trying to understand this. So
one goes in there, so we can either
it like
stand
holds
it
the
up,
phone up, or you rotate. Well, we can't
or-
see that right there, but okay.
Like,
all right. I mean, that's actually kind of cool. And the
that's
fact that
pretty
you're
good.
just charging your phone at the same time.
My only gripe with it is how much this sticks out. That's a nice little cable.
Yeah. Well, to go along with that, Matt, no one loves you.
Oh.
But with this, everyone will love you. It's an auto clicker. So if you're tired of not getting enough likes and hearts on your live streams, then you can just get an auto clicker to do it for you. So I'm getting cookie clicker ready. Let's do it. So let's get tapping here. Okay, and then get to clicking. Oh yeah.
We're having so many cookies.
That actually works pretty fast. So you can change the speed.
Oh,
That's too fast. Oh, that's how many per second? So you're clicking 40 times a second. I mean, that's obviously faster than the phone will take. Look at that. 60 clicks per second? You are not that popular.
All right, let's see. How far can I go?
Dude, the phone will not, look, it's actually starting to like freeze up a little bit. Yeah, you cannot go that high. It doesn't even click anymore.
-1 clicks per second? How does that work?
You unclick.
All right, so two clicks a second.
You broke it. I don't condone this, but who am I to judge? I mean, if you want to be a bad person, sure.
There are some games that like, butter.
This is the soft butter. I've seen this before.
What is this?
It's like a foam stick of butter?
It's a lot softer than I expected it to be.
Same. Probably shouldn't put weird things in my mouth, but never stopped me in the past. Look, it's getting bigger.
It's not about.
There we go.
Don't slap my butter stick.
Butter fight. It actually does smell a little bit like butter.
The thing is that every time Kinsey gets mad at me, she throws stuff at me.
Well, now she can throw butter at you.
I'm glad we went with salted. What?
It's a measure spoon.
Measure spoon.
Do you ever need to measure? So we've got ourselves a big scoop, and we have a little fork, so we will click it into place. We are ready to go. Let's measure some shit.
Okay, we have a bunch of babies.
Oh, thank you. Baby activate.
How many grams of babies do we have?
What's the nice sound?
Ooh.
49 grams of babies.
When I get bored around the office,
You eat babies?
I like to hide stuff. One of them is these tiny little babies. Sometimes I have to come in early, and so the babies are just gonna join.
How about this? How many grams does our phone weigh? 196 grams? Actually sounds about right.
That sounds about right.
Yeah. I don't know how much you trust it, because obviously it's a little wiggly. So it's like, it's approximate measurement, but it actually does seem okay.
Here's the thing, approximate measurement is an oxymoron when you're
What'd you
talking
call
about. Well, you is just a moron.
Okay, are we ready for the final item? I mean, the
Fi-
table has just been
Final
overwhelmed.
item.
I don't know how we're gonna test this one, from honest with you. It is a lint roller, but you wash it and then you adhesivize it. I don't know how this actually works.
This is girthier than I thought it'd be.
Okay.
So like, it easily holds multiple babies.
Wait, how'd you do that?
If we stick together.
Ready?
3,
Set.
2, 1. Ah! Wait.
Everyone, if you would take a close look at Mr. Ancini, linty disaster of a human. But now, oh, it's like pulling your shirt.
Yeah. It's also weird. I think you're only supposed to go one direction.
No, I'm working it in. Damn, look at the lint.
Yeah. So now, give me the water.
Okay. He's about to make a mess, but that's what else is new.
It did nothing.
Oh, it's just gel. It's just sticky gel. Kenzie,
Not
you did a pretty
bad.
good job here.
Not
I
bad.
feel like there's a good selection of items here. Normally, like, TikTok's gonna be a bunch of junk. And of course, this is all junk. But at least most of it's like kind of useful, practical junk, which is better than just scam junk. Oh, well, look at that. The baby's just going for a little spin. It's a very stimulating table right now. There's just a lot going on.
There is a
here.
lot going on here. Like, follow, subscribe. Let us know what you're going to do with your sticky lint.
Don't actually let us know that. I don't think I want to know.
Show us your jellyfish and...
No, don't do that either. Oh, you just got buttered. You just got buttered.
I just got buttered. Like, follow, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.